There are different kinds of blood group available. The main four types are A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group. Mainly in the whole population of human, the O blood group is very common, around 36%. And some rare blood groups are Bombay blood group and all. And each blood group has two separate types. One is positive and another one is negative. Negative people cannot accept blood from positive blood groups, while the negative person can only get blood from negative person. Normally, AB positive blood group is called as universal acceptor.